and we're gonna have a little challenge. We're gonna go ahead and set up a timer and see how fast I can take this quarter panel off. What's up, guys? Welcome back to a brand new episode from Backyard Boys. In this episode, we're gonna go ahead and remove this piece of junk right here because we got a brand new one. And tomorrow, this little piece comes. So the goal for today is go ahead and pull this entire quarter panel off. Probably pull this little box off, mock things up roughly just because we don't know exactly how the box fits in there up until we can get that part on our hands, which is tomorrow. But for now, what we gotta do is go ahead and cut the glass out, cut this rear one out, cut this one out as well. And alongside with that, we're probably gonna go ahead and get that front fender welded up, correct?
Yes, sir.
We have a little crack. Yep, we have a little crack on that fender, and instead of buying a new fender for around $400, if I'm not mistaken, we're gonna go ahead and fix this one up. It's probably gonna cost us anywhere from $50 to fix it. Boom, money saved right there. Money saved is money earned. If you guys are enjoying the content, smash that like button. If you guys want to support me on Instagram, follow me up. Or if you guys want to support me, follow me on Instagram at BYBTim. Follow Ed the Editor at BYBEd. Let's get this video rolling. We only have this bottom. You know what we forgot though? Tear apart everything inside. Oh, there's no panels,
Nothing to tear apart, homie.
Alright, then just unplug the window, that's it. And if I'm not mistaken, it should just come out. Good?
Yes, sir. Boom.
I'm gonna have to grab this. So the reason why I'm doing that is because I can see where all the spot welds are. Look at that, super nice and clear. And we're gonna have a little challenge. We're gonna go ahead and set up a timer and see how fast I can take this quarter panel off. Having everything prepped. Wheel off the car. And I'm gonna go ahead and put a jack stand here. And I think that's really it. I'm gonna go ahead and put a timer, get this thing busted out, and show you guys how fast I can get this done. I'm gonna guess right now. How long do you think?
Hour?
A little longer, I think. I think about an hour and 25. So, set a timer. Siri, set a timer for 1 hour and 25 minutes. Ready? That's it. Put a time lapse. Let's run it. I'm gonna leave my phone somewhere. I don't even know where. Probably run it. Leave it. We're gonna be like 10 minutes late. We're almost done. Basically everywhere. So everything is loose up here, everywhere. All the cuts are in. So we're gonna give it a good pry back. It's on some foam, like sticky stuff, whatever. I mean, it's kind of off. You gotta see what's going on here. grabbed onto me. How late were we on our timer?
Like 30 minutes.
Well, less because we were just kind of playing around towards the end, but this took really long because there was an impact here. There was like 4 or 5 spot welds here, so that's what took long. But besides that, we were probably like 15-20 minutes late if we actually hauled. But once the timer ran up, we were just kind of like, whatever. So what is that? An hour 45 to take off a quarter pound. Sounds good to me. Let's go ahead and dolly this out right here real quickly, and then tomorrow we have this piece, so we gotta take that off and put the new one in there or measure it up. But we're gonna do that tomorrow. For now, let's fix up this little thing and this section right here. There you guys have it. I went ahead and roughly mocked this out right here, and we're almost done for the night. What we're gonna do is go ahead and get the new quarter panel in here, get the rough cuts on here, and test fit that sucker onto here. And then tomorrow, hopefully the dealership has this piece. With all the shortages nowadays, it's quite impossible to even guesstimate times when stuff is gonna come. So we're just crossing our fingers, hoping for the best, and let's get that quarter panel cut up and slap it on here. Look at that, looks so much better. Obviously nothing is really set, but everything's lining up really great. So we're happy about that. Let's see. The damage down here, basically. See how it's kind of ish where it needs to be pulled out a little bit more. This all folded nice and neat inside there, exactly where it needs to be. And then the damage here is basically where it's at kind of too. Just needs to be hammered closer to this. But we can't do any of the finishing work because of not having this box. This right here, as you guys can see, needs to be pulled out as well. You see something here, something going on here. We'll figure that out once we have a tail light, once we have this. You know, make sure to get everything perfect prior to welding anything. Although we did run into one little issue, which is right here. This trunk, it sits much higher on this side. So I'm not sure what's going on here. It's super high here and super low here. So I'm not sure if it's the trunk. I'm not sure if it's the trunk, the hinges or something. Something is damaged, maybe shifted like that, maybe something here. I'm not sure. I'll address that and let you guys know. But for now, we're gonna wrap up. First thing in the morning, or whenever the dealership calls us, go pick up that piece and take that thing off and test fit that new one. So I'll catch you guys tomorrow. So guys, as I said yesterday, we were waiting for this part here. We finally received it. It wasn't expensive, it was $180. That's pretty fair, I think so. But it goes right there. Something like that. So what we're gonna do is go ahead and pull this one off right now. Probably gonna take us about 30 minutes, get this thing drilled out, and I was about to say spot riveted out, but anyways, it's not spot riveted, but drilled out. It looks like we have probably about 15 or 20. I don't think we're gonna replace this piece just yet. I'm gonna go ahead and section this off and the bottom one off because it's all 3 pieces. Oh, it's 2 pieces. I lied. I thought it was 3. So 1 and 2. I'm not sure if we're gonna replace this back one just yet. I'll leave it on the car. It doesn't look like it has any damage. And then we'll go from there. So let's do it. Yeah, we'll get it replaced. So we got everything mocked up, it's looking great. Off camera, I'm gonna go ahead and dolly all this stuff out, make it perfect. Next episode, what we're gonna do is go ahead and weld everything in, set the gaps and make everything look perfect. Right now, it actually looks pretty darn good, considering the fact that we really didn't set any gaps. Take a look here. This gap looks pretty straight, yeah? It's more or less, like it's decent. And then
the quarter is floating here, so yeah, it's more than decent.
First of all, it's floating. Second of all, it's overlapping right here. I have not made my final cuts here, here, or inside here. And even how it is right now, look at that. It looks pretty decent, like whatever, you know. This got to come in a little bit closer. That got to go back a little bit. Basically, the quarter panel got to shift like this, and you can see it by this. And the reason why it's not shifting because it's not letting it up here. It's overlapping double metal. But regardless of anything, everything's looking right, everything's looking great. So we're happy of the progress, happy we got this new piece. We're gonna go ahead and, like I said, dolly everything out, prep everything in the next episode, weld everything in, probably mud everything in. That way we have this entire section ready for paint and put the front fender back on because we just got that thing back from weld. Speaking of getting it welded, I have some footage, so I'm dropping it in somewhere during the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys enjoyed this content, smash that like button. If you guys want to show your support, follow me on Instagram at BYBTim, follow the editor at BYBEd, and I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. Thank you guys for all the love and support. The next one's the best one. Peace out.